Morning guys, welcome back to my channel. For today we're planning to visit Windsor Nature Park. Okay, we'll take ride for MRT Lakeside Station, and then we will drop to Buena Vista Station. Okay, come with me guys. We are here now guys in the bus stop of Marymount Station 53121. This one now guys, Marymount Station 53121. Okay. We are already here guys in the Windsor Nature Park. Okay, we'll go now inside. I hope we will enjoy. Okay. Again, as a reminder, so what to do when we encounter wild boars. We hope we cannot encounter. Don't stay on designated paths on trails. Don't stay calm and walk away slowly if we encounter wild boar. Don't keep safe distance. Okay, from so with young. Okay, when we cover it, we will not use the flash. Of course, we will not feed the wild boar, huh? Guys, sorry. Okay, we're planning also to check and visit the treetop walk, but it was closed due to maintenance and expected completion in the third of this quarter. Oh, soon. Okay, we go inside now guys. We'll observe this safe entry. Guys, we just meditate the sound that we hear around us. Thank you, God, for this lovely nature. Thank you for giving us calmness, relaxation. Thank you so much, oh God. Wow. I love this portion, guys. See? Coming down from these steps, going here to this short bridge, and then we will go uphill. Right? So nice. Wow. See the birds. They welcome us. Good. Good exercise. I like the weather. And of course, the surrounding, nature. Hey guys, we check now the Hanguana Trail, Squirrel Trail. Okay, after this one, I will try to the Drongo Trail and Treetop Walk. But as we know, the Treetop Walk has been closed for maintenance purposes. Okay guys, let's go. Let's continue. You see now guys, the bees. Wow. We done already guys to the Hanguana Trail. We found some bees. Now we will go now to the Squirrel Trail. Okay, let's go guys. Let's continue guys. Okay. We already reached here now guys in the Squirrel Trail. Let's go. Be mindful guys. See? There is a warning here that there will be a portion or section that may be flood after heavy rain. Okay guys, this is the portion or the section that will be flood after heavy rain. Okay, let's proceed guys. Good hiking guys. Okay, we done 3 trails. Venus, Ogayan na, and this Squirrel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting me. Okay guys, thank you. I hope you enjoy. God bless everyone. See you in my next vlog.